Today, I'm gonna punt a toilet because I am a punter now. Well, I have to wait until Deadpool 3. Then I'll be back and working. And yeah, I forgot about my punster. Apparently, I'm Super Mario, so you could call this Super Deadpool World or Bros, whatever. But no one needs punters these days because I got this big baddie. Yeah. Oh, now that. Okay, now let's put some to it. Okay. Mama, get in there. Yeah, get in the hole. Oh, yeah. I think the chili works, but let's check it out. And I got in this house. I thought it's going to be a hot babe, but it was. It was some drunk alcoholic guy. Let's see his toilet works. On the left, look at that big doobie doo. The toilet works. And why the fuck the forest weekend? Ah! You know what? I'm gonna be a teacher then. I'm going to work in the school. Bye now. Hey, you want to tell me what to do? You're just a voice in my head. Got no race. No, I don't need a sponsor to pump the toilet. I have my katana. Okay? Bye. Hi, class. Today, I'm going to teach you about the birds and the worms. Let's pull you guys down there. Oh, yeah. Okay. You see this. This is a big one thing, right? It goes up and down, right? Wow, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. See, that's how to do it, kids. That's how to do some freaky. Yeah. And don't forget some. Yeah. But sometimes you have to go. But sometimes you have to wear something. This is my sword. I use that sa all the time. But sometimes I do it some sexy ways. Right? But that's your sex ed, everyone. And 1 plus 1 is fucking 2. It's not fucking 4. Whoever told you that is fucking retarded. It's 2. Always has, always been. And yeah. Deadpool out, bitches. Well, fuck. I just got fired from my teacher job. Maybe I meant to be a teacher. And how will I be talking to about my feelings? Because they're the fuck is everyone? Like seriously, I hope they are going to start Deadpool 3 because I can't wait. Because I can't wait to start making a movie. Then doing my punning job. I fucking hate that job. What? I don't even get fucking way, man. I didn't sign up for this. But I hope I start suing Deadpool 3 soon. I heard it's gonna be fucking PG. Fucking Disney. I hope they put me in the Marvel MCU sooner or later. Seriously. But anyways, Deadpool out. First, I'm going back to punning. Okay, Deadpool out. Excuse me? You have no rights to say what I do, can or might do. I'm the starting the show, not you. Okay, bye.